This first question says to use your y equals mx plus b strategies to make a quick graph for the following equation. Okay, so what do I mean by that? Well, this is what I mean. The m is your growth rate, and that's what you're multiplying the variable by. So here's your m. Remember we did this with a highlighter? So the m value is what you're growing by, and it's the number you're multiplying the x by. So there's your m, your -2. Okay. And then the b value is your y-intercept. And it's where you begin on the y-axis. Okay, it's a starting value if you're working with a tile pattern. So on my graph, here's my x-axis and here's my y-axis. I'm just going to go by ones, so I'll make this 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, that way it's just kind of clear. Each tick mark is 1. So if the green is B, right, that's where I start my graph on the y-axis at 1. And then my growth rate is -2, so I'm going down by 2. Okay, so if I move over 1, every time I go up 1 value on the x-axis, I'm going down 2 on the y. Okay, so down 2, down 2. There's my points. And I really should connect them with a ruler, which I don't have, but I'll go ahead and do it freehand. Okay, if you don't remember the mx plus b strategies, we could always make a table. So if I put 0 in for x, I get -2 times 0, 0, plus 1. If x is 1, I have -2 times 1, that's -2, plus 1. If I put 2 in, -2 times 2 is -4, plus 1, -3. Let's see if I can find those on my graph. I'm at 0, 1, 0, 1. I'm at 1, -1, so 1, -1. And then I'm at 2, -3. Go over 2, down 3. Again, if I went to 3, would be plug in 3, I get -6 plus 1, -5. So I go to 3, -5. So let's see where these values show up on my table as well. Well, here's my y-intercept. Right? And my growth rate, I'm going down by 2. Here's my growth rate. So there's your graph.